and I was like, oh, City Trends is my new this is like, and that was like terrible. No, it was great actually. Do my lips look weird?
No.
Okay, so we're doing brown Derber now. God. All right, fuckers. Just kidding. Hey, it's me, your friend Caroline. I'm here at Paddock and Whiskey on James Island, anxiously awaiting the opening of the Park Circle location where I'll be there all the time. Come see me, come hang out. We're hiring, let me know, holler at me. Midsummer, we'll see. But in the meantime, we get to play here on James Island. And I am featuring a brown derby cocktail today, which is super delicious. We have our own spin on it, which is extra fun. But after a day at the beach, which we all love to do, especially after you've been drinking trash cocktails, no offense.
I said what I said!
We've got a good one for you. So this one packs a little bit of heat. It's really fresh, super light, easy breezy, and it's still a classic. This was invented in the 1930s at a club in LA. It's called the Brown Derby. Let's do it. So first we're gonna start with some jalapeno. Give it that spicy kick. This is where we have our own fun with it. I think sometimes after a long day at the beach or just after drinking a bunch of whiskeys, which hopefully you are here, you need a little pick-me-up, a little wake-up, a little refresh of the palate, and a little spice, citrus, and sweet are all kind of the touch base notes that you want to dive into when you need to wake up, or you want to start your night, or you want to just like sit with the drink and you love whiskey, but you aren't ready for a stirred and stiff drink. This is a serious go-to. So jalapeno in the tin, muddle it up a little bit. It really doesn't take much, plus we're gonna be shaking. So once you literally knock the flavor out of the jalapeno, you're good to go anyways. I have a feeling this is a pretty spicy one. I haven't tested it, but as we all know, produce is live and it's beautiful and wonderful and you wanna keep on using it, but if you're sensitive to spice, maybe give it a little taste test before you serve all your guests.
Why is it spicy?
So we've got a little chunk of a jalapeno in there. Then we've got a honey simple. This is a super easy recipe, a 1-to-1 ratio. I would suggest getting as local as possible and also good for your allergies and good for shopping local. Honey, simple, hot water, honey, mix it up, equal parts, stir it up, you got it. It lasts a while. A little secret touch to preserving things longer, throw a splash of vodka or a grain neutral spirit into something, juices included, to kind of let it relax a little bit longer. So we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of our honey simple. Almost the same, but we're gonna go a full ounce of the grapefruit. I would definitely recommend Ruby Red. It's more adorable, less bitter, has a bit more sweetness, and why wouldn't you? Ruby Red is always the dominant grapefruit, let's be real. But this is a really awesome, very affordable whiskey. So we did 2 ounces of that, 1 ounce of grapefruit, 3/4 of an ounce of honey, and the muddled jalapeno. Throw a bunch of ice in it, make it stacked. Shake the heck out of it. And stop. Rocks glass, fill with ice. And with citrus, you generally want to double strain, so that means you're using 2 different, I'm human, Two different kinds of strainers. This is a tea strainer. This is a Hawthorne. Home bars. You know, you could use a freaking coffee filter for all I care. Just make it good. But the point of it is to kind of get the pulpiness if you are using citrus, to get any kind of remnants of ice chips, pulp, whatever. And it's just so delicious. Just for funsies, we're gonna throw a little tuck of a jalapeno to remind you what you're doing. Sometimes after a day of drinking, you do need that reminder. I suggest it. I like a little marker instead of those silly like wine charms. This is way more fun. Plus it's edible. Get in there, y'all. Have a derby. Come on down to Paddock. We love them. Cheers.